Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. So some users are reporting that they have access to the live feature with fewer followers than 1000. It may be possibly due to some regional testing or some other factors, but of course these instances are exceptions and not the standard. But if you have that feature, it's perfect, and you can go you can access live feature right now. What I wanted to show you is that you should switch to business account. You should find the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu. Go to settings. Here navigate to account, and here if you have your personal account, you will see here switch to business account, and vice versa. If you have your business account now, you will see switch to personal account. So switch to business account and then go back to your profile. Again, tap on the menu, go to TikTok Studio. Here, open all the analytics and go to live section at the top of your screen. And here, press this red button, go to Live Center. Scroll down to the very down, and here you see Need Help. Report a problem. And this is basically the TikTok support page. And here you should in this message field, you should type the problem. So describe your problem, that I am unable to access TikTok live feature, and could you please enable this feature for my account? And then submit your request. And some users report that they gain access within 24 to 72 hours after sending such message. So you can try that. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.